What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file, completely free, genuine, and directly from Microsoft without needing a product key. Let's get right into it. First, open up your browser. To make this super easy for you, I've put the direct link to Microsoft's official website right at the top of the video description. Go ahead and click that. Once you're on the page, scroll down just a bit until you see the section called Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click the Download Now button. Once the tool downloads, go ahead and open it. Click Yes when the prompt appears. It's going to say getting a few things ready, so just give it a few seconds to load. When the terms pop up, click Accept and let it load for another few seconds. Now, pay attention to this next step. You'll see a checkbox that says, Use the recommended options for this PC. If you are downloading Windows 11 for the computer you are currently using, leave this checked. If you want to change the language or download it for a completely different computer, uncheck the box and choose your settings. Make sure the edition says Windows 11 and hit Next. Here's where you make your choice. If you want to create a bootable USB drive, you'd pick the first option. But since we just want the actual ISO file today, select ISO file right here and click Next. Now, just choose where you want to save it. I'm going to select my Downloads folder and click Save. And that's it. Your Windows 11 ISO is now downloading. This can take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed, so feel free to grab a snack while you wait. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install this new version onto your computer, whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, without losing any of your files. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you ran into any problems today, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.